In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a file to a PDF form using Adobe Acrobat. This process is straightforward and can be quite handy when you need to include additional documents, images, or other types of files with your PDF. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to open the PDF form to which you want to attach a file. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat on your computer, then navigate to the file you wish to modify and open it. This step is essential as it sets the stage for everything else you'll be doing. Once your PDF form is open, direct your attention to the global toolbar at the top of the window. Here, you'll see a variety of options. You'll want to click on Edit. Selecting this will open up a menu that provides you with different ways to modify your PDF content. Now look for the section labelled Add Content within the Edit options. This is where you'll find additional features that enable you to add or change content within your PDF. Click on More, which allows you to access even more functions and tools within Adobe Acrobat. From the extended menu, choose Attach File. This option is what you'll use to insert an additional file into your PDF document. After selecting Attach File, a dialog box will appear. This box is essentially a file explorer that lets you search your computer's folders and directories for the document you wish to attach. Take your time here to locate and select the specific file that needs to be included with your PDF form. Make sure you select the correct file, as this will be embedded within your PDF and sent along with it. Once you've found the correct file, go ahead and click Open. This action will add the file as an attachment to your PDF form. It's a simple click, but it's what seals the deal, embedding your chosen document into the PDF. And there you have it, a file attached to your PDF form. This process can prove incredibly useful for including more comprehensive information or supplementary materials directly within the same document, ensuring everything remains organized and accessible. Remember, attached files can be opened and viewed by anyone with access to the PDF, so it's an excellent way to share additional documentation without having to merge everything into one large and unwieldy file. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now comfortable with attaching files to your PDFs using Adobe Acrobat. This method opens up new possibilities for how you can share and distribute your documents in a more complete and informative way. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on maximizing your software tools for more efficient work. Thank you for watching and happy editing.